Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is reverse word. Now we have to reverse word. Given a string, reverse the string without reversing its individual words. Words are separated by space. The note is the string may contain leading of trail spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The written string should only have single space separating the words and no extra spaces should be included. For this example, you can say, I like this program very much. Much a program, we are reversing the words, not a single word. Now, for this, we have three approaches. A naive approach, in which we use stack, which cost us the complexity of big O of n, and the space complexity will be also big O of n. The expected approach for us will be using two pointer, and this one also cost a space complexity of big O of n, but the space complexity is big O of 1. The alternate approach is using the inbuilt library, which is also cost the space and time complexity big O of n, as you can see here. Now let's jump into the code. Now we are going to use first a naive approach, which will be we are declaring words variable and declaring I is equal to 0. Now we check while I is less than length of our s is the given string that we are going to change. Now while I is less than length of s and s of I is equal to space, a single space, then we increment our I by 1. If I is equal to length of s, then we break the loop. If it is going to be equal to length of s, then we are going to break the loop. Now we again define our word as normal simple array with simple stack while I of length of s and s of I is not equal to our single space. Okay, then we will append our word. S of I is our word. We will going to append in word variable. Now we append words dot append dot join, sorry for that, join our word. This is words. Okay, word. Now all of this is going to perform this inside this while loop, so we are going to do that. Now we are going to define our stack as empty for word in words. We are going to append our stack with word. Now we declare our result as empty array. While our stack exists, we are going to append our result with stack dot pop, which element going to pop from stack will be appended to result. Okay, now we return our this join function, space of join. Now we join and join our result. It will join the words with the single spaces. Now we compile it. Let's hope this work. We are getting error for what? Oh, sorry. There is a typo in here. This is going to be len. Now we compile again. Again, see, our program is taking too much time than expected. So we are going to change our approach. This is our naive approach. Now the second approach will be we are going to use two pointer approach, and this approach cost the space complexity is big O of 1. So for two pointer we are going to define our pointer I and n as length of s minus 1 and length of s. Now we declaring our result as empty. Now we check while our I is greater than equal to 0, then we proceed while I is greater than equal to 0 and our s of I is equal to space s. Then we decrement our I. Now if our I is less than equal to 0, then we going to break our loop. Now we define our j is equal to I while I is greater than equal to 0 and s of I is not equal to our empty space. Then we decrement our I again with 1. Now we define word as empty, and for k in range with I plus 1 until j plus 1, word is going to increment by s of k, and we append our result with word. Now we are going to return single space joining with our result. Now we compile it. Let's hope this work. See, it is working. Our case is completed. Now we submit it. This is very efficient approach. See, is this working correctly? Now our third approach is we are going to use libraries, the inbuilt libraries of Python, and it is going to be very short code. So the third approach is we are going to use our functions. So we declare our words as dot split, a split not split, and we are going to reverse our word, reverse, and now we simply return joining with our spaces with words. Now we run it. Only 3 lines of code there. Now we submit it. Hence it is also working. So there are 3 approaches for our reverse word question. It is very important question and also come in Goldman Sachs. And friends, I am started my playlist of Goldman Sachs. You can view the playlist in my channel. I have created that, and until then I have uploaded I think 3 problems, and it is going to be more. So keep subscribing my channel and like my videos if you like the solution. Thank you.